Welcome to Yadnya Investment Academy. In this video, we are going to talk about tax reduction available under the section 80E. This section can be utilized to avail tax benefit available for educational loan. Educational loan here means loan taken for study of any field like engineering, medicine, management, for postgraduate courses or even vocational courses after passing class 12th or its equivalent. The 12th or an equivalent examination that you pass should be from a school, board or university recognized by the central government, state government or a local authority or another authority appointed by the central or state government or by the local authority. The interest part paid over the educational loan can be claimed for tax reduction under the section 80E. The principal repayment that you do cannot be claimed for tax deduction under this section. Even the tuition fees incurred cannot be claimed for tax reduction under this section. But the tuition fees for full-time education of 2 children can be claimed for tax deduction under the section 80C along with the other investment options available under this section within its overall limit. The tax reduction can be availed if you have taken the educational loan for yourself, spouse, children, or for a child you are a legal guardian for. Educational loan taken for siblings or any other relative cannot be claimed for tax reduction. The loan should be in the name of the taxpayer and this section is only available to individual taxpayers. HUF or any other entity cannot avail this section. The loan should have been taken from a bank or financial institution or from an approved charitable trust. The way in which the interest repayment can be claimed is either in 8 consecutive years starting with the year in which the repayment began or until the entire interest part has been repaid, whichever of these two is earlier. The deduction can be availed even if the loan has been taken for studies abroad. There is no upper limit on the amount that can be claimed for tax reduction under the section 80E, nor there is any upper limit on the rate of interest by which the repayment has been done. There is usually a moratorium period that comes along with your educational loan. It is nothing but holiday for your EMIs or loan repayment. It is usually a year after completion of the course for which the loan has been taken or 6 months after the student is employed. Whichever of these two is earlier is considered as moratorium period. The interest accrued in this period is added to your principal and then the EMI is arrived at. You may not want to take this holiday period as it increases your EMI and would start repaying the loan as soon as possible. Here, the limit of 8 consecutive years in which you can claim the interest part still holds true even if it coincides with the moratorium period. Now let us take an example to understand this better. Let us assume you had taken an educational loan for a certain course. You completed the course in October 2017 and you got a job right away. A moratorium period would be usually a year after completion of your course or 6 months after your employment. Whichever of these two is lower. So in this case, it works out to be from October 2017 to March 2018. Now, if you avail this moratorium period, the interest accrued in this duration would be added to your principal and an EMI would be decided, which you would start paying from April 2018. So the 8 consecutive years for which you can claim tax deduction for the interest paid over your educational loan under the section 80E would be financial year 18-19 to financial year 25-26. But if you decide not to avail this moratorium period and you start repaying your educational loan from October 2017 itself, the 8 consecutive years for which you can claim tax deduction under the section 80E would be financial year 17-18 to 24-25, even if it coincides with a moratorium period that the bank is ready to give you but you have not availed. You may inform your company about the loan repayment so that a TDS is levied accordingly, or you may claim the tax deduction while filing your income tax returns. So friends, we have seen that the interest part of the educational loan can be claimed for tax deductions under the section 80E. Loan can be taken for higher studies of self, spouse, children or child for whom you are a legal guardian. We have seen the various conditions under which you can avail the loan. We have also seen the limits of the interest that can be claimed. And we have also seen by what kind of taxpayers this section can be utilized. Friends, hope the video is useful. Thanks for watching this one. Watch this space for more such topics. Until then, happy investing. If you have any questions, let us know in the comment section below our videos. And if you like our videos, please do subscribe. Thank you.